everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025 GA question number 9. If a real variable x satisfies 3 power x power 2 equals to 27 multiplied 9 power x, then the value of 2 power x power 2 divided 2 power x whole square is, and 4 options are given. So here it's given 3 power x power 2 equals to 27 multiplied 9 power x. Okay. So you can simplify this. In place of 27 you can write 3 power 3, and in place of 9 you can write 3 square. Okay. 3 power 2 power x, that you can write as 3 power x whole power 2. So whether 2 power x or x power 2, both are 2x. Now in place of 3 write 2. So 2 power x power 2 equals to 2 power 3 multiplied 2 power x whole power square. Now take this into left side. 2 power x square divide 2 power x whole square equals to 2 power 3, and it's present in option C. So answer will be option C, 2 power 3. It's simple, just in place of 3 write 2, then you can get the answer of this. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.